Hi foodies, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some curry lentils. So we're going to start off with some soaked lentils, some tomatoes. I did blend these tomatoes up. I used about 8 small tomatoes for this, and 1 onion chopped. And for the spices I am using some chicken spice, some salt, some 6-gun grill, and a little bit of turmeric. These are all the ingredients that I will be using, and it's very simple, guys. It's just some tomato. Make sure that it's canned tomatoes, or you do blend these up to make it very delicious and curryish. Okay, so let's get into it. So in a pot, guys, I am adding some cooking oil. Now that my cooking oil is a little bit hot, I'm gonna add in my onion, and we're gonna let this onion brown up a little bit. Now we're gonna let this brown up. Now that our onion is a bit fried, we're gonna throw in all our spices in there. We're gonna mix that up a little bit. We are going to add in our tomato. And we're gonna stir that together. Look at that. And now we are gonna add in our lentils. We are also going to add in a cup of water. We're gonna add in a 2nd cup of water because it does look too thick. And remember, guys, lentils do soak in a ton of water, so this water will be soaked in. So yeah, we're gonna add in some extra spices as we go if we do need some, but if not, well, that's what cooking is, right? Tasting as you go. Alright, let's close this up and let it cook. Okay, as you can see, guys, the water has gone down and reduced significantly. Oh, look at that. Look at all those tomatoes. So this tastes amazing, you guys. It needs a little extra salt, so I'm gonna add that, and I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. Just give it that taste, and it is a little bit chewy, so I'm gonna let it cook again for an additional 15 minutes. So it did cook for 40 minutes before. Okay, look at that, guys. Doesn't that look amazing? So let's let it cook. Look at that. Oopsie. So look at that, you guys. Doesn't that look so yummy? Let's taste. Yes, now it tastes great. It tastes amazing, you guys. Hope you guys do try this at home and tell me what you guys think. Tell me what you guys added. Also, what did you change on this? It's really delicious. We're gonna be enjoying this with some rice. It's gonna be so yummy. And you know what they say, plant eating is better than meat eating. Is that how they put it? I don't know. Well, hope you guys do enjoy some lentils this week, at least once a week. Enjoy some lentils. Alright, see you guys on another video. Bye.